everybody, welcome back to my channel. And guess what? I went to Target again because I could not pass up this deal. When I was talking to you guys on my live chat video last night, I was thinking about we were talking about going and do a second haul at Target. Ibotta right now has a mid-week bonus, and I think it ends tonight at like 2 o'clock in the morning, so technically tomorrow. So if you guys have it, definitely do it. Some of you guys were saying that you only need 10, and that's what I needed, so I wanted to do a couple of repeat deals because why not? You can't go wrong with a free $3. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got. Now, I did this in a separate transaction because it's for my son, and not everybody wants to get this, but I ended up getting the Despicable Me minis. It's this. Sorry if you guys can't see it. These were like 50% off or something like this, or something. I can't remember. I will post the picture showing it to you guys. But these were on sale for $4.99. And as I was going through my Ibotta, just hold on, sweetie. As I was going through my Ibotta, I saw that there's a $2 rebate for these. So there is 5 of them in here that you guys can see, and then there's a mystery one. There's like a little orange package, and like these are all the different ones, and my son absolutely loves those. So again, $4.99. There is a $2 rebate, a limit of 5 times. I don't know if it's just for Target only, but can I see one? Can you take one out so I can show everybody? So yeah, so you guys, if you are interested in that, they have a lot of their Despicable Me or Minion stuff, like 50% off because of like Easter and stuff. So, but these are basically what they look like. They're like little vinyl figurines. My son loves them. So, there you go. Why don't you go take them upstairs and mix them up with the other ones. So, just letting you guys know on that. $2.99 for 6 of them. That's like 50 cents a piece. That's an awesome deal. I always try to grab those because why not? So, I'm here to show you guys what I got in my haul. My area is bone dry on razors, especially the $5.99 razors. So I'm like, okay, let's see what kind of deals I was going to do. So my store was bone dry on the $4.99 or the $5.99 ones, so I ended up getting the $8.99 ones again. So I ended up getting the Schick Hydro razors. Now these are $8.99. You guys want to use 2 $3 off coupons, either from coupons.com. Sorry, I'm losing my throat. Either from coupons.com or just the inserts that do expire this Saturday. So you guys will get that. You guys will end up paying $11.98 for the both of these. But then you guys can submit a $1 rebate times 2 on Ibotta, making the final price for these, and you also get that $5 gift card, making the final price for these just $4.98. Now they have that deal where if you spend $20, you get a $5 gift card. So what I ended up doing is I got the razors, and then I got the Aussie shampoo and conditioner. Now these are $2.99. You guys want to use that 2 off of 2 coupon. So you guys would end up paying $3.98 for this, but then you guys get a $1 Ibotta rebate on this, and a $1 rebate Ibotta on this. So making these just $1.98. So if you guys combined both of them, you'll end up paying, hold on honey, you'll end up paying $15.96. $15. Ooh, look at that. It's a nuclear guy. This is a blind bag one. It's cool. There you go. Here, take that with you. There you go, little guy. So you guys will pay $15.96 for those 4 items. But then you guys will get a $5 gift card for the razors, and then a $5 gift card for spending $20 on beauty. You got to have that coupon. It's in the ad. You can also text it to your phone, and you can also have it on your Cartwheel app. It's on there. So there's 3 different ways. You just can only use one of those coupons per transaction. Just letting you guys know what that. You guys will submit $4 on Ibotta. That's 3 different rebates right there. Comes to $1.96 for 4 of them, which I think is a great deal. That's 50 cents a piece. You can't go wrong with almost $10 razors for 50 cents. And then shampoo and conditioner for 50 cents. And I think this is going to be the next stuff I'm going to use. I don't know why. I really like the smell of it, and it smells good. So there is one deal for you guys to do. I ended up doing the Great Grains deal again because I could not pass this up. Now, a lot of you guys said you had 50 cents for these, or I had $1 for Ibotta. 50 cents is still a pretty decent deal. It's up to you guys, but my store only carries four different flavors, and I think for this, for 4 different rebates on Ibotta, I think that is awesome. So these are $3.29. There is a 25% off deal on Cartwheel. Plus, you guys want to use $1 off a 2 coupon from like the grocery store network. If you guys cannot find it, go to Lozo, LOZO.com, and search groceries. Just search post, and it'll take you straight to the website that has this coupon. I'm going to do a video explaining how to use that website sometime, so be prepared. I want to show you guys different ways to find coupons, and there's definitely that website. So you guys will end up, for 2 of them, you guys would end up paying $3.93. But since there's 2 different rebates for these, you guys will end up paying $1.93 is the final price, or just 96 cents. My husband's like, he loves these. I think he likes this one. This one is his favorite, the crunchy pecan. So I got 4 of them. That's 4 different Ibotta deals. So that was a great deal. I mean, look at that. I've only showed you 8 items already, and I already got 7 Ibotta deals. So hopefully you guys can do that and, you know, get some bonus points. I could not pass up the candy deal. Red Vines, again, $1. There is a 50-cent rebate in Ibotta, making this just 50 cents. Couldn't go wrong with that. I mean, I really like it when you have to pay 0 out of pocket, technically, when you buy some of this stuff. I got the Sour Punch, again, $1. These, you guys get a 55-cent rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for these just 45 cents. So that was awesome. I ended up, my Sally Hansen showed up again, but it wasn't a $3 rebate, it was a $2 rebate, so I kind of passed on that. I was going to do the Mentos deal, but my store was completely sold out, so those are on sale for $3.99. There is a 50% off deal in Cartwheel, plus you guys would end up paying, I think you guys would pay $1.99 for it, but then rebate reset on checkout 51, and you can't get Grew out. The rebate reset on checkout 51, so you guys can get those for 50 cents a bag, which is awesome. And I think the Cartwheel ends this weekend, so if you guys can get those, go for it. I'm still not done. I ended up getting the Suave Kids shampoo. I told you guys I want to get these. I only have a couple of these coupons, so I want to take full advantage of it. I love the smell of this, and I really like stocking up on kids shampoo. I mean, I have tons of women's, some men's, but not enough kids stuff. So I thought maybe making a little kids gift basket would be a cool idea. So I'm working on it. I am working on that to show you guys. I'm slowly getting my baskets, but I will be doing it very soon. I ended up getting a bottle of hair dye. Now, if you guys follow me on Facebook, I posted a link where you guys could get free hair dye. So I did that. They sent you a coupon. I think I did it 2 different times, and I got 2 different coupons. So I ended up using my free coupon. I don't know if it's available anymore. You could find out. You could Google Clairol Nice and Easy coupon and see if anything pops up. But this was $6.99. I used that free coupon, so I didn't pay anything for this. But then you guys can also submit a $2.50 rebate for this. So this became a $2.50 moneymaker. So could not go wrong with that. That was my haul. It wasn't a lot of stuff. A lot of it was repeats that I got on Monday, but I said I wanted to hit the midweek, and like these are the deals that I knew I could really do to get some money. So my total before coupons came to $26.68. I ended up using my gift cards from the last transaction from Monday, so I roll my gift cards all the time. Like, you guys should just learn to roll the gift cards, and then I also roll my Ibotta too. So $26.68, I ended up getting two $5 gift cards. That was one for the spend 20 get 5, and then one for the 2 razors. I ended up getting $11 back with Ibotta, so that's a great deal. And then I also got that midweek bonus for Ibotta, so that was a $3 bonus right there. I already finished level 4, and hopefully you guys can finish it this weekend. I'm crossing my fingers for you guys. A lot of you guys said you've never hit as high. This is a great month for Ibotta. I love it when they have the bonuses, so hopefully you guys can finish either level 3 or level 4, and you guys can finish the bonus. But if you add everything together, I paid everything I paid for $2.68. I got 12 items for $2.68. That is awesome. That comes out to be just 22 cents a piece. 22 cents a piece. I love it. I got cereal for 22 cents. I got razors for 22 cents. So, if you guys enjoy this video, and I know you do, give me a thumbs up. I love it when you guys thumbs up my videos. It makes me happy. It makes you guys happy. It's a win-win situation. And I will see you guys all another time. Thank you guys for watching.